Okay, and welcome everybody to our first Acorns maths preview video, where I'm going to share with you our maths learning for next week. So next week we have been looking at numbers 0 to 10 and just thinking about how we write them. And a perfect link for you at home to watch is the Year 1 number formation video, which will teach you some rhymes about how we form our numbers at our school. And something else to practice as well is counting. So we have been doing lots of counting over the last couple of weeks, but some of us need a little bit of help in counting carefully, accurately and slowly. So we call this one-to-one counting, so that we are moving as we count. So here we have 1 acorn, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And we'll also work on counting backwards. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So over the weekend, have a go at counting a handful of objects carefully so that you move or touch each object to make sure you only count it once. Okay, so this week we will be looking at what the numbers look like and matching them up with a picture or the number of objects. So we're looking at number 1 and then we'll try and find a picture of one spot. So we might be using dice. Here we go, number 1. Now we've got our number 2. Where's a spot with 2 dots? 1, 2. Here we go. And our 3, here it is. Which spot has got 3 dots? Found it. 3 in a row. 1, 2, 3. Here we go, number 4. And which spot has got 4 dots? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we go, and last but not least, number 5. So 1 more than 4 is 5. So look, this looks a bit like 4, but it's got another spot in the middle there, another dot in the middle. Number 5. So if you can match the numeral, so the number shape, to a number of objects or the spots on a dice, that would be brilliant practice. And we'll also be trying to show the numbers on our fingers. So show number 1 on our fingers, number 2 on our fingers, number 3, 4 and 5. And at school we have some number shapes that help us learn what the numbers look like and how they're grouped together, and they are called numicorns. So here's some pictures of the numicorn tiles, not unicorn, that's what the children say sometimes. So this is what the number 1 numicorn tile looks like. Oh, not that one. This is what the number 2 numicorn tile looks like. This is what the number 3 numicorn tile looks like. And we say that these odd numbers have got a chimney, so they've got a sticky up bit there, whereas the even numbers have got flat tops. So here's the number 4 numicorn tile, and last but not least, the number 5 numicorn tile. So have a little play at home to see how many different ways you can match the number shaped pictures to numbers of objects or visuals to help you count, like your fingers or a dice. Happy counting!